Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to download and install Microsoft Excel for free in 2025. There are two methods you can use. I'll start with the easier one, and if that doesn't work for you, don't worry. I'll show you the second option too. Method 1. Using Microsoft Store. First, head over to your computer's search bar and type in Microsoft Store, then open the app. Once it loads, search for Office 365. You'll see several options, but look for the one that says free. That's the one we want. Click on it, and instead of open, you should see an install button. Just click that and wait for it to install. Once it's done, log in with your Microsoft account, and you'll be able to use Excel and other Office apps. Method 2, through browser. If that doesn't work, here's the second method. Go to Google and search for Download Office 365, then click on this link, which should be Microsoft.com. That's Microsoft's official Office site. And once you're on the home screen, you'll see an option to download now here. Click that and it'll take you to the option to download for Windows or Mac. Choose the one that's relevant to you. This will download a setup.exe file. Open it, hit yes, and the installation will begin. If you already have it installed, you can cancel the process like I'm doing here. Once it's installed, just go to your computer search again, type in Excel, and you'll see the app is ready to go. You can even use it offline. And that's it. That's how you can get Microsoft Word, Excel, PowerPoint, and more in 2025. Completely free. If this helped you out, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe,